Hello, my name is swissbianco. In this video I will talk about the red alox version of the first mate. It's just a quick overlook about the different colors. I did already make a video of explaining the features and all three colors plus the history of this Swiss Army knife. So this is more only about the colors. This one features a nice red alox. On the back side we have the engraving plate, and in front there is a nice silver color shield. This knife was made by Victorinox for swissbianco as a limited edition.